In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Think about it. In Genesis chapter 1, we read, God spoke simple words and said, "Let there be." And the whole universe, the millions of stars, the earth and oceans, and all came into being. He just simply spoke. And this God says to you and to me in the book of Jeremiah chapter 33 verse 3, "Call unto me, and I will answer you and show you great and mighty things you have no understanding of." So, think about it. In a home, parents are always listening to their children. Dad, Mom, Papa, Mama, they're always talking, and friends talking. So what is prayer? Prayer is talking to God who is with us. And He said, "I will never leave you nor forsake you." So pray without ceasing. 24 hours. Okay, when you sleep, you can't. But all the time, let this be on your heart, saying, "God, help me. What shall I do? Tell me." And you develop that habit of talking to God about everything, about your children, about your husband, about your wife, about your education, about your food and finances and your care, and whatever you're dealing with, your friends. Talk to Him continually, and He will hear. And He said, "I will answer you." Prayer is the key to make the mighty God work on your behalf. Blessings on you.